Do you want to know how to protect yourself from warts? When you first spot any warts on your body, you should act immediately because they can spread and thus result in even more warts. On this video, you will find remedies on how to get rid of warts quickly. Banana peel. The most effective use of a banana peel is utilizing it as one of the potent home remedies to get rid of warts. A proteolytic enzyme present in banana peel eats away the physical structure of the wart and dissolves it and prevents the occurrence of warts in the future. Cut a piece of the banana peel and stick it on the wart using bandage or tape. Repeat this method several times a day to get rid of warts quickly. A lemon peel can also work effectively in curing warts. Castor oil. When it comes to natural remedy for hair growth, there is nothing like pure castor oil. It doesn't only help in promoting hair growth but also aids in developing thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. It is also one of the best home remedies to get rid of warts. The main component, ricinoleic acid, found in pure cold-pressed castor oil possesses powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that destroy the wart-causing virus. Regular application of the oil makes the wart soft and moist so that it falls off. Castor oil is especially effective in getting rid of small and flat warts that appear on the hands and back. Apply castor oil directly on the warts several times a day and make sure that the warts are thoroughly soaked in the oil. Aloe vera. The natural hydrating and healing properties of aloe vera gel make it a skin-friendly ingredient that is also used to treat dandruff and other scalp infections. Aloe vera gel is popularly used in moisturizing masks for dry hair. Pure aloe vera gel is one of the most useful natural remedies to get rid of warts without causing any side effects or stinging. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera gel help in treating warts and healing skin damage. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, just break a leaf and apply a few drops of the raw gel on the warts. Wrap the area with a bandage or clean cloth. Repeat the home remedy 2 times a day for 2 weeks. You can also buy natural aloe vera gel at drug stores if you don't have a plant at home. Garlic. Garlic is not only a popular kitchen herb that is used to spice up dishes but is also loaded with amazing medicinal properties that aids in treating a wide range of skin diseases and infections. It is by far the best medicine for ringworms. Topical application of raw garlic is also one of the best natural ways to get rid of warts. The potent antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties of garlic fight the viral infections that cause warts. The caustic effects of garlic also attack the flesh of the wart and cause it to blister and fall off within 1 week. Press a few garlic cloves, apply it to the warts and cover with a bandage. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash off with water. Repeat this natural treatment 2 times every day for 2 weeks to get desirable results. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a one-stop home remedy for all hair and skin problems and is also one of the most effective natural home remedies for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is used as one of the most powerful natural wart removal home remedies as well. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar attacks the flesh that makes up warts and kills it from the roots by peeling it away from the skin. It also takes away the virus along with it and prevents the reappearance of warts. But it is essential to continue the treatment till the core of the wart has been destroyed, otherwise it can grow again. Trickle 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a bowl and soak a cotton ball in it. Apply the cotton ball on the wart and tie it with a clean cloth or bandage and leave it like that for 1 day. Repeat this process every day for a few weeks for the wart to die. Raw papaya. This is an effective Ayurvedic remedy for natural wart removal that has been used for ages to treat this condition. The strong proteolytic enzyme found in raw papaya juice eats away and dissolves the dead tissue of the warts. It is also useful for curing foot corns, boils and acne, but pregnant women should refrain from using this remedy. Make a shallow cut on the surface of an unripe papaya and collect the white sap from the surface. Mix this thick sap with some water and apply it on the wart 2 times a day for 2 weeks to see remarkable results. Dandelion. Certain enzymes found in dandelions help in getting rid of warts and prevent them from recurring in the future. Break the stem of a dandelion and squeeze out some of the liquid from the stem and apply it directly on the wart. Wrap it up with a clean bandage. Repeat this method 2 times a day daily till the wart is removed completely. Thank you so much for watching.